So in the last little while, I've been thinking about upping my game by cooking some sophisticated recipes, expanding my palate if you will. And today we're going to cook a pineapple curry chicken with a side of rice. Let's get started. First you want to pull out your chicken, make sure it's fully thawed, then pull out some vegetables of your choice. We're going to use 2 red peppers, 3 carrots, a cup of beans, half a pineapple, and 1 chili pepper for heat. Chop up those vegetables and set them aside. Large pot, bring 3 cups of water to a boil, then add 1.5 cups of rice. Turn the heat down, and then set a timer for 20 minutes. Then prep the pan with some peanut oil, and cut your chicken. On medium to high heat, brown your chicken, and set it aside. Next, throw in your carrots with some diced garlic and chilies to get a sear and smoky flavor. Bring the heat down and add your green beans, pineapple, and red peppers. Next, we're going to make the sauce. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, because who doesn't like garlic? 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 1 tablespoon of dried lemongrass, 2 tablespoons of crushed coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of yellow curry, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and finally with a splash of cream. Stir occasionally until your vegetables are fully cooked. Finally, mix in your chicken and plate your masterpiece. And there you have it, a meal to impress. Bon appetit, and keep it classy.